I pulled the fuse out. Here's the new one. Just going to turn my meter on to, I call it my beep test. You can take the two leads, touch them, just make a beep. So this is one way of testing your fuse. You should be able to touch the lead on each side here. We'll do it this direction. Now I should be able to touch these and it should beep. And it doesn't. So this fuse is bad. Alright, so I'll show you here. New fuse. Put the lead in it. So there you go. Brand new fuse. That one's good. So this one goes back into the machine. Garbage. Now why it keeps burning up these thermal fuses, I don't know. There's probably something inside here internally that could be more of an issue. But I found the fix for why it will not start up. So if I power on and then hit start, it just does a click. That's it. Will not start the dryer or the drum up. And that's all due to this fuse. So I'm going to go ahead and change this fuse out and we'll get it running here. Alright, fuse is in. As you can see, I plugged it back in. Lights on in the drum here. So even before I put the panel on back down here, I'm just going to test it. There we go. Back to working. All due to that little fuse.